welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, for the ones who don't already know me. Oh, by the way, this is toothpaste. Don't mind this. I have a pimple and it needs to like dry out because my birthday is coming up. Okay, stay tuned for that birthday vlog. But anyways, from the title of this video, this is another Omad video. You guys love my Omad videos. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna cook just yet. I'm going to start my coffee and then we're gonna see what we have in the freezer. And yeah, this is some like steak. I don't remember what it was, but it's some type of steak. And yeah, I'm gonna take this out. Got some smoked sausage and I got some shrimp in there. So I don't know if I'm gonna make some like fajitas and make them like with some sausage and like either like air fry this. That would be too much meat. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the steak out and the sausage. Leave that in there and I'm gonna start my coffee. My son, it sounds like he just woke up, so as soon as I get done brewing my coffee, I'm going to go get him because he's a handful. So while that's brewing, I'm going to go ahead and start some breakfast for my son. Make some eggs with spinach in there, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna make for him. But yeah, my daughter, she doesn't really like to eat like first thing when she wakes up. She gets that from her dad. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and crack 2 eggs, some spinach, and cook that for them. Still using the hazelnut creamer, so this is what his breakfast looks like. Just grapes, spinach, ham, and eggs. And yeah, he might eat all of this and he might not. It all depends on his mood, of course. Gonna go get him from upstairs and let him eat, and then I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. Taste it. Taste test. It's good. Say hi. Is it yummy? Is it good? Here. Delicious. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. My freaking birthday outfit just came in the mail and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Are you guys ready for a birthday vlog? Like just taking you guys with me, going to get my nails done, my makeup done, getting my eyebrows done, just like a whole little birthday vlog. Hi guys, so it is 2:49. I'm thinking about making some like fajitas, but I'm gonna make it with sausage and like shrimp, and then make the steak, probably like air fry it. I don't know yet. So, and as my side, I guess I can make some potatoes, like air fried potatoes, or probably just bake them. Hey guys, so I just washed my steak all nice and clean. Added some water, rinsed it a few times, and added some vinegar to the water. And I'm just going to season the steak with some Slap Your Mama. And I'm going to use some lemon pepper seasoning, tones to be exact. I'm gonna cut my lemon. And then I'm gonna add some lemon juice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna massage all this seasoning in there, and yeah. I am going to place it into my air fryer for 30 minutes and let it cook. Bell pepper. This is what it looks like after I just got done chopping it up. Now I'm gonna cut up my sausages, and yeah. Okay, so as my shrimp, my seasonings, I'm just gonna add some lemon, just the same seasonings I use for my steak. So yeah. Extra virgin oil to my pan, like that much. I know y'all probably thinking like, girl, that's a weird combination, like what are you doing? But if you do Omad, you understand that since you can't really eat what you want, you just cook what you crave, since you can only eat it that one time, you know what I mean? So let me know if I'm not alone. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take them out and now add my shrimp. I still haven't even like mixed all the seasonings in there, but I'm just gonna take these out. And you know what, I meant to cut these up. Dang it, I'm gonna just cut them up real quick. Can't wait to eat them. You know what? I didn't even make my freaking potatoes. Oh well, I guess we're not eating potatoes today because I really forgot to even, I forgot all about it. Steak is looking good so far. Okay, so I'm all done. This is my steak. This is my fajita tortilla, I guess. I don't know. So I'm all done with my cooking. Just to like. Okay, piece of steak. Yummy. My teacher,
No, a piece. No. No, pictures, yo.
This is so good. So good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my food, and I'll give you guys, I'll come back whenever I'm done. So see you guys in a second. I'm done with my food, and now I gotta clean up this mess because I got dishes in the sink that needs to be done. And yeah, the food was amazing. It was super good. What really like gave it that touch on the I don't know if it's steak, that's what it said on the packaging, but anyways, I guess the steak was that I added some lemon on top. Oh my god, that was so good. I'm going to make some iced tea, and then for dessert I'm just gonna have a brownie, a fudge brownie, 70 calories. And then yeah, I'm gonna have my iced tea, and then that's gonna be it. Yeah, this is gonna be it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell because more videos are coming. Birthday vlog coming, you guys already know. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.